I feel like when you inculcate the right kind of habits in the beginning, they don't like stuff themselves up with like 10 ice creams. Oh, wait a minute. What has this woman not been showing me? Let's just eat together and, shut kitchen.
We all know that you have dinner very early. Is that something that you still do?
Oh, yeah. I think I just started out of convenience because my daughter ate dinner early. So she would eat her dinner by around 5:30 because she sleeps early. And I just thought most of the time it was just her and me at home. And I was like, what am I going to do? I might as well just eat now. And I started to see the benefit that came out of it, which was I slept better, I felt fresher in the morning, there's brain fog. So yeah, I think that's one thing that I do. It works for me. I'm not just, I didn't read it somewhere and, start following it. Like I said, came out of convenience. Let's just eat together and, shut kitchen. And now it's something that the entire family does.
Ma'am, my question to you is, how do you manage to feed your kids healthy foods? I mean, sometimes it happens, we always see the difference with their, it's a balance with their habits and the convenience.
Like with their habits and like sometimes when they really want to like eat ice cream or like
Correct.
these things. Yeah, this was a hard one, because till your kid is 2 and if it's your firstborn, it's kind of easier because they haven't been to that many birthday parties. They don't know that cakes exist and there's pizza in the world and, all of these things. So you've created a nice little bubble for them. You're fooling them well. And you're like, yeah, this is what it is. And then they start seeing that, oh, wait a minute, what has this woman not been showing me? There's this and that. So I'm going through that with my daughter. And I think the only way I've kind of managed to, and I'm still trying, is that I do explain it to her. I tell her that, there are some foods that give us, like all foods give us energy so that you can play, you can do this, you can do that. And some foods give it to us very quickly. And then we have no energy left to do other things. And other food give us energy in a way that, we can keep playing, I make it sound more interesting than I'm telling you guys right now. but I feel like she doesn't buy it most of the time. Like she's like, whatever, just give it. But I do fix days. Like I tell her, okay, you can have it over the weekend or you can have it when we go there. And I make it a big deal when we're doing that. For example, I took her to an ice cream museum because she loves ice creams. Like loves, obsessed. So I took her to the ice cream museum and I'm like, you know what? Eat as much as you want. And she didn't eat that much. So I feel like when you inculcate the right kind of habits in the beginning, they don't like stuff themselves up with like 10 ice creams. She must have had like 2, maybe 2 and a quarter. And then she was like, I'm done. So I just pick days and give a very lengthy explanation, which I try to make it fun. I bring out my actress